Hello gang, hello friends, hello gang friends. It's new Madame Glam collection day. This collection, ooh. There's something about this new Madame Glam collection. I don't know how to put it into words, but I feel it. There's something about it. We've got 4 cremes and 4 Cateyes that accompany the cremes. You can get a whopping 30% off at Madame Glam using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. This is the Sunset Bells collection. And just wait until you see them all together. There's just, I don't know what it is. They make me happy. They calm me. I don't know. I think I'm in love with it. So these are the colours. We'll have a little close-up look at them and then we'll do a swatcheroo. This one looks way more blue on camera than it does in real life. It's definitely more purple. Oh, this one! Oh my word! I think this is one of the most beautiful polishes I've ever seen in my life. Just you wait and see. That sounded threatening. Just wait and see. How's that better? Yeah. But yeah, that one that looks blue is definitely a dark purple with a blue undertone, but it looks like a dark blue with a purple undertone on camera. It's definitely purple. So we're going to label them all with our Dymo. It's not ours, it's mine. with my Dymo Electra tag. We'll zip through it. But I keep this bit in. I didn't used to keep this bit in swatching videos, but I find it quite satisfying. You know, just being organised. Got a label maker. Things are all neat. Just brings me joy. Gentle joy. And then my scissors. So I do 2 spaces between each one instead of printing each one separately, because otherwise you get a massive gap. So you'll save a lot of tape. I do have a label maker video about that label maker. So have a look at that if you like that sort of thing. These scissors, I know. Trying to sharpen them with a proper knife sharpener didn't work. Haven't yet done the foil thing. I will give it a go. It's just that my nail room area is on the 2nd floor or the 3rd floor if you count the ground floor as the 1st floor. We have the front door, and then that's the ground floor. Then the 1st floor, my bedroom is on, and then the 2nd floor is just a big loft room. So it's up there, and the foil is obviously all the way down in the kitchen. The aluminium foil. Trigger warning. So anyway, so they're still a bit blunt, and that was a bloody nightmare to try and cut that tape, is where I was going with that. So we're going to line them all up and just admire them all neatly labelled. And then the swatches. There is something about this collection. I think it's the perfect transition collection between summer and autumn. Although I hope autumn's not here yet. I'm still kind of waiting for summer. But as a Brit, we tend to be waiting for summer all year long. Just never comes. We have some really nice we've had some baking hot days. There's just not consecutive. Not that many consecutive. You won't get like 4 days in a row where it's baking hot. You'll get 3, and then there'll be a big storm. Anyway, talking about the weather, it's like we don't know each other and we've just bumped into each other on the street, but we do know each other. So we don't need to make small talk. This colour, how nice is that? Yeah, that's what I was saying. It's a perfect transition collection. And it's called, I haven't even told you what it's called yet. It's called Sunset Bells, Bells. no extra E, bells us in, Big Ben. Oh, this one, look at that. This is a Cateye, and I haven't even zhuzhed it yet, and it looks like the most beautiful pink glowy gold sunset. And then look at this. That's amazing. I really like it non-zhuzhified, but zhuzhified as well. Look at that glow. In the flesh, it's like a million times more beautiful. It really looks like it's alive. Oh, look at it. That's alive. That's a living thing, surely. It's got a nucleus somewhere. So we are going to do 2 coats, because that one looked quite sheer on the first coat. With the second coat, suddenly, boom, super opaque. And then this one, look at this. Look at this. I'm getting excited. This has a really bright glow, but do you see the blue? Do you see the blue? It's like pinky bluey with this bright silver glow. And that's stunning, isn't it? And then this one, Prom Queen, has another absolutely blinding glow. Look how bright it is. Look at, should have saved that. Should have saved that for Cafeteria Crush's second coat. They've all got like back to school or school vibe names. So, there's one more. I thought that was the end. Pom Pom Plum. Another one with just bananas glow. And this one, they all have little like pairs. Like the red, once we've done that pinky gold one, a second coat, it does get a lot deeper and will match the red. But it depends how you Cateye it. You know, if you have a streak of Cateye, then you can see more pink in the background. But if you have the whole thing, bring out the zhuzh all over, I'm just whizzing through these. But we'll do the Cateyes at normal speed when we zhuzh. But if you bring the zhuzh all over, obviously you see more of the glow colour as opposed to the background colour. So it depends where you place your zhuzh. If you've not been here before, zhuzh is a word. It's not spelt how you would imagine it's spelt. And it means, I don't know how to put it into words. Just zhuzh something, give it a bit of, just Google it. Look at that. Fuck. That's insane. Oh my goodness. So do you see what I mean? If you put the glow in one place, you see like the background colour a lot more. If you bring it out all over, you see more of the glow colour, obviously. But look at that. Imagine if you were doing like flame nails or sunset nails. Just, I'm blown away by that. And this one is giving serious, beautiful princess moonstone. Doesn't it look like a moonstone? I'm really impressed with their Cateyes they've been bringing out recently, like all the different formulas they're using. They're just, love them. So that one is, what's that one called? Study Break. Look at it. It's like pink, purple, blue, and glowing. It's so beautiful. And then this one again that has this brilliant vavavoom. I had no idea what to say then, but I started with a V. It could have been anything. Ventriloquism. And then the purple, I think the purple creme looks more blue on camera because of something. Why? I just thought why it's gone. But it's definitely a deep purple. So this one matches that. Then you've got the goldy, amazing, just unbelievable Cafeteria Crush that goes with either the pink or the red. And then you've got the champagne-y one that goes with the, you see they all have pairs. Look at the pink Cateye, the middle one, or the opaly, what was I saying, moonstone looking one. How nice it would look with the ones either side of it. And then Cafeteria Crush looks really red there, but it's because it's next to, you know, they all have little combinations, and that Drama Club, definitely more purple. I've said it a million times. I think you get the message. So that's the latest collection. Just wanted to hop on and show you. And you can get, sometimes you can get 30% off using the link in the description and the code MISSJO30. I was resting on a nerve. Look at my hand shaking. Yes, so head over and have a look at these. They are so good. There's something about that collection, isn't it? It's just, I find it comforting. I hope you're all well. Are you well? I hope you're well. Let me know in the comments how you are. I do read them, and I love to read what you're doing, what you're up to, what's been going on. So I do appreciate the comments, and I appreciate being here. There will be a video doing a design with these very soon. So like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Bye.